How engaging do you find this to be? You may rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. And now, how engaging do you think this is? The former is the way how students are made to learn in a classroom. And the main problem they face? Difficulty in concentration and focus. If given an option, majority of students would choose visualizations and animations over PowerPoint presentations. Many people are visual learners and grasp the concept better through visual medium rather than verbal or written medium. So why hasn't such visualizations and simulations been incorporated more in the education system? We believe it isn't the lack of technology, but a lack of tool set that makes this process easier for both teachers and students. For example, two softwares, Manem and Unity, can be used to create these visualizations, but both are very hard to learn and are also not meant for a classroom setting. So, our idea to solve the problem was to create such an application, keeping both teachers and student in mind, that empowers them with the tools they need to engage in experience learning in a whole new way. This is the startup page of our project. We can select a new project or open existing projects or the last project. Let's go open a new project. For the new users, it will ask to take a tour, basically giving an overview of the program. For example, the add can be used to add different objects in the scene, and the attributes panel is the settings available for that objects. The timeline over here is used for previewing, and the different workspaces available over here can be used for different tasks. For example, we can go to add and add a graph. The settings of these graphs can be tweaked in the attribute panel along with animations and all the required stuff. In the objects panel, we can see all the objects present in our scene. In the timeline, we can organize our objects and see when the object appears with respect to the time. This makes it simpler for creating a video. And for advanced projects, we have the code editor, where we can code and the reflections of the code will appear in the viewport. Now there are many people who do not know how to code. So for them, we have also implemented a node editor. The node editor is similar to a block form of coding. It has an easier learning curve and can be used for people who do not have coding background. We have these bars all across the place which can be used for easy navigating. For example, we can drag this bar over here to reveal the code editor, or this one over here to reveal the timeline. If the viewport seems small, then we can even slide this tab and then reveal it back again. The dimensions of the project can be set from this tab, and we have already covered the adding and the attributes panel. Also, micro interactions have been added in the high fidelity prototype. For example, these. This makes the interface more affordable, where the buttons invite the users to click.